You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So I titled this segment, You May Have Bought the Wrong Plant. And here's where I'm going with that. I mentioned the plants that are just impossible to kill earlier in the show. And so there are some that are just more robust. There are some that should never be in this area. The buyer didn't know what they were doing. They don't speak Latin. They just said, oh, that's pretty. I'll take some of that. Yeah, my people will buy that. I'll make a buck off of it, off of you, as you watch it die slowly as summer hits or doesn't take our water or alkalinity or wind. It doesn't go through the winter. It's not the right zone. You really, really need to do your homework. I mean, due diligence, or you just need to shop at a local garden center that knows their stuff. These people have been here. My folks have been with me on average, decades. They know plants. They live plants. They go through life looking at plants, playing with plants, and IDing bugs. How many bags of bugs and disease we see every day is wild. It'd blow your mind. And so you walk up the wall of depots, Lowe's, whatever you want, a box store you're calling it. It's confusing. I don't even know what the products are on that wall. I don't know how you pick how to kill that scorpion or blister beetle or aphids or what's eating your peaches, your apples, worms and apples. That's complicated. But we do, because that's what we do. We live and breathe this stuff. We love it. We love seeing the weirdest, freakish thing we've never seen. It's hard to find something new we've never seen. So we kind of look at that going, oh, the entire team will gather going, wow, how did you get that on your tree? That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Here's how you kill it. And so same with plants. If you're coming in with a photo of on your phone or your tablet, or you're trying to sketch things out, you're not sure where to start, come talk to us. This is fun for us. We'd love to show you which one's going to do best. Yes, you might pay $2 more, but you'll make 100 less mistakes out in the yard. That's our niche in the marketplace. You can go buy it for $2 less at Home Dumpo, as we call it, Home Depot. I'll probably get a cease and desist order, but man, dang it, their warranty's great. I can kill it all day long. Yeah, but it's not about the plant cost. It's about your time in the sun, sweating, wondering what to do, and then watching that plant slowly die, mocking you. That is pain for a gardener. If we're bad people and we're gardeners, we get thrown in hell to watch plants die for eternity. It's not pleasant. So heaven, you plant things and they just grow and thrive. And they become more lovely. They start to sing. They celebrate. Good, strong plants love to interact with you. They're talking with you. They're communing with you. Truly, you can feel it. And that's nature for you. And you can do that in your own backyard, just picking the right plant. Sometimes you're walking through a box store and you just don't know where to start, and you didn't read the label and you went, oh, it's pretty. I'll take it. Oh, it's only $20-$30. I'll take it. I'll take 2 of them. And then they both die. That's because you bought the wrong plant for that part of the yard. We can help guide you into that sun, shade space, wherever it's going to be. We've got garden classes every Saturday at 9:30 in the morning. They're free. They're meant to help you be a gardener, to be a better gardener. Yes, we use it as a marketing thing, to bring you into the parking lot on a Saturday, but truly our true heart is to make you a better gardener. And if you have success, you're going to tell all your friends and they're going to come in and follow you. Then you're going to bring your neighbors to your garden center. They taught me how to do this, and I want you to have the same success that I've had. Sometimes you bought the wrong plant because you were shopping at the wrong place. Support your local independent garden centers, whether it's Warner's in Flagstaff, Plant Fair in Payson, whether it's Verde River Growers or Waters Garden Center here in Prescott. We're here to help you.
Waters Garden companion plants for July are hibiscus, maple, crepe myrtle, and purple verbena.
Purple verbena is mountain famous for gorgeous summer-long flowers held over compact grain
foliage.
This purple bloomer loves bright gardens, summer heat, and grows best in poor soils with less water.
Go ahead and abuse this bloomer. You can't kill it.
The perfect native perennial for easy summer long flowers.
You'll only find the toughest verbena here at Waters Garden Center, 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott.
For a more fruitful garden, increased success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.